In our business, we love the feedback we get from our customers. So when we receive a great review, we just have to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we will work very hard to earn both. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.